Okay, so I'm going to teach you guys how to open a wrapper with a stapler. First, you need the wrapper, the stapler, and you need some wet ones. But first you do anything, you must play some CARLY RAE JEPSEN because rappers love CARLY RAE JEPSEN. So basically you need a music recorder too. Okay, I don't know if you can hear, but first you take the wet ones, and then you have to wipe it down. Okay, you have to wipe it really good. Okay? Get the really small parts. Damn! Dropped it. Now it's all cracked. We can make this work. Take the stapler right here. This looks bad, but see the stapler is in. Okay, I don't know if you can see. Yeah, stapler's in. You have to take it out. Okay. And that's how you open a pack of crackers or something with a stapler, with some wet ones, and obviously you can tell that rappers love CARLY RAE JEPSEN. And then you enjoy.